Plants. I love plants, guys. It's a must in my house. If you're not already a plant lover, you should definitely jump on getting some real plants in your house. Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be talking about, you guessed it, plants and more plants. Guys, I love plants. It's a must in my house. And today I'm going to give you 3 good solid reasons why you need some real plants in your house as soon as possible. We'll also go into the good and the ugly of having real plants in your house. If that's something you want to see, stay tuned. Guys, if you can't already tell, I love plants. I love plants. I love greenery. I love the outdoors. So it's only fitting that I would start this new series on my channel under plant love. So if you love plants, or you would like to know more about plants, or you're starting the new journey into introducing plants into your house, this series is definitely going to be for you. And of course, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I upload a video. And with that said, I would like to give a shout out to all my new subscribers and all my old subscribers and say thank you so much. We have reached 1,600 subscribers. And I could not have done this without you guys. So let's continue to grow on this channel and inspire each other, and let's get on with this video because I already chatted way too long. All right, let's start. According to NASA, real plants actually absorb toxic gases in the air. Yes, toxic gases in the air. These real plants will help reduce the toxins in the air in your house. If that's not a more important reason why you need to get some real plants in your house, I don't know what else is. Remember also too that plants help improve the quality of the air in your home. It helps release oxygen in your house and remove all pollutants, well, most of pollutants in your house. So definitely guys, start investing in some real plants. They are very beneficial. My second reason that I believe that you should invest in some real plants today, guys, is that it helps improve your mental health by reducing stress. Yes guys, I absolutely believe this 100%. It can definitely help reduce stress. It helps take your mind off everyday things. Just at the sight of seeing real plants and greenery automatically can calm me down. It's something about having some real plants in your house that's just calming to see and just makes you feel more relaxed and less tense. And I can vouch for that myself. Anytime I see real plants, or even sometimes fake plants, because if the fake plant look really real, then it can still give me the same vibe. But for the most part, real plants really give you that feeling of calm and encourage you to relax. And that's really important to me when it comes to having plants in my house. That's why if you look in my house, most of the plants you'll see are mostly green, because just represent life to me when I see the green plants. And of course from time to time you'll see something with a little bit of color like this right here. But absolutely guys, plants will help your mental health by, well, I'm not guaranteeing that because I'm not a doctor, but I'm telling you from my experience that real plants can definitely help reduce stress and improve your mental health. So if you're someone who deals with depression, or you have a lot going on, or you have a busy day, or you have a stressful day, you have running from one place to another and you're always on a go, sometimes having some real plants and some greenery around you, it kind of is something about it that has the effect of calming you down. And of course guys, my third and most probably popular reason why you will want to have some real plants in your house is simply, it's eye candy. Like, come on, look at this beautiful plant. Isn't it cute? This is my plant, Strawberry. You can't tell me she's not beautiful and you would not want to have this in your house. Isn't she gorgeous? This caldium, oh beautiful. plants just, it just brightens up the place. Whether it's real, fake, or whatever, you will want to have some plants in your house because they're visually appealing. You can't deny that. And when you see plants in your house or anywhere in someone's house, you automatically just get excited, like, wow, this place looks so warming. It just warms up the place. It just makes you feel welcoming. And that's a really good perk when it comes to plants, especially when it comes to home decor. It can be a very affordable option to have in your house, probably more affordable than actually owning a fake plant, believe it or not. I've probably spent more money on my fake plants than on my real plants, but I have my reasons for why I love some fake plants as well, because depending what part of the house that I have my plant, or I would love to have a plant, it might not be an area in the house that would be thriving if I put it in that spot, maybe because of low lighting or whatever the reason may be. So I love both real and fake plants, guys. I know some plant lovers don't like to hear that, but I love them both, and there's nothing you guys can convince me differently. I love both, but I absolutely encourage you to get some real plants. These plants are probably one of my 2 new plants that I've gotten. So yeah, I have about 15 real plants in my house, and who knows how many fake plants in my house. But if you haven't already seen my last couple of videos in my home decor series, you'll see that I have several plants in my house, and you can see how I decorate it in my space if you need some inspiration on how to place plants in your house. And yeah, these are, oh, love them. Come on, look at this plant, so pretty. Strawberry, so cute. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. But anyways, guys, so that's my 3rd reason why you should absolutely invest in some real plants. Now let's go into some of the ugly, the not so cute reasons you may be turned off from getting some real plants. But trust me, the good outweighs the bad. Let's get real and talk about the disadvantages, or what I would call some of the turn-offs of having real plants in your house. And one would be that if you're a plant lover, many plants can be very toxic to your pets, such as this one. It can be very toxic to your plants, so you have to be very careful with your plants, and of course with your pet, and make sure that it's not in a place where your pets can reach it and, you know, get poisoned by these plants. And of course you want to make sure that you're careful around children, and that they're not ingesting, they're not eating these plants or nibbling on it, because they can be poisonous depending which ones you have. They do have some plants out there that are non-toxic to humans and animals, so definitely do your research to see which one is going to be best for you. But in my house, I have a combination of non-toxic, toxic when it comes to pets or children, because I don't plan on eating or chewing the plants. But you never know. That's definitely a disclaimer that I'm putting out there for those who have children or pets. Make sure you know, do your research and find out which plants will work best for you in your space. But definitely don't be discouraged. You should definitely still invest in some real plants. You just got to be wise about where you place them in your house, and sometimes depending, you might have to be wise on what type of plants you put in your house altogether. Second reason I would consider a con or a turn off when it comes to owning some real plants in your house is if you have allergies to pollen, or you're allergic to certain perfumes. Having some real plants in your house may actually make the situation worse, depending which plants you get. So to avoid making your allergies worse, do your research, find out which ones will work best for you, or check them out in person and kind of see how you feel about it, and then from there decide if you should invest in one or not. But for sure, again, don't be discouraged. I still encourage you to get some real plants in your house because there's so many good benefits to it. You just got to be extra careful which kind of plants you put in your house. Now, the third reason why this could definitely be a turn off when it comes to real plants is that pest. Oh my gosh, guys, if any of you guys are aware of pests, when they crawl into your leaves, go into the back like millibugs, or you just get like thrips or different types of pests on your plants. It can be a nightmare to get rid of them. They can be a nuisance in your house. Fungus gnats, they can fly all over the place. They can attack your plants, and you can spend weeks fighting for your plant's life. These things can be so annoying. I've already had one attack on one of my favorite plants that I've had, which was one of my first plants, and boy, when I say it was under attack, I literally fought for months to keep this thing alive because it was such an attack of these pests on my plants. And unfortunately, it did not survive the battle, and I had to get rid of it. So I'm extra picky and extra careful when it comes to having plants in my house. So I'm very picky what comes in, and I'm very picky on where they're placed in my house, and I'm also very picky on how to take care of them, because I love a lot of my plants. Any plants you see in my house, they're not just in the house just for the heck of it. I actually love each and every one of them. They all have little names. This is strawberry, this is ruby, this is queen. And if you're wondering what kind of plant this is a a marble queen. This is a marble queen pothos. Absolutely gorgeous. So do you think that I'm gonna want some pests to come and bother these leaves and chew these things up? No. So it can be a very big annoying situation when you have pests just coming and attacking your plant. Spider mites just taking over. It's like the cringiest, most thing to have when it comes to real plants. I don't ever wish on any plant lover to having a plant on their most favorite plants. Like, I love this plant right here. I can't imagine it going under attack by spider mites or any of these kind of pests. It bugs me, no pun intended, to see these bugs just attacking your plants that you work so hard to raise up and groom and grow. So yeah, that's definitely the downside of having a real plant. It can be a lot of work to make sure that these pests are not attacking your plants. So again, don't be discouraged and decide not to get real plants. This is not what this video is about. I'm definitely encouraging you to get plants, but I'm just making you aware that you just might want to choose wisely what plants you get. If you know that you don't want a high maintenance plant, you might want to get a low maintenance plant. Now, if you're interested in knowing what plants are high maintenance, low maintenance, and you want to know more about certain plants, or you want to know more about plant care as a beginner or whatever, definitely place that in the comments. I do have another video coming out. I have my Monstera Deliciosa that needs to be repotted, so I may actually post that video of me repotting it. So guys, I hope this video has inspired you and encouraged you to invest in some real plants today and start placing them in your home, improving the quality of the air in your house and raising your spirits with some real plants. You will love them. They're absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, there definitely can be a conversational piece in your home. Also guys, be sure to put down in the comments what are some of your favorite plants. What are your plants that you have your eyes on? I definitely have a few plants that I have my eyes on as well. And do you have issues with fake plants? Because I know a lot of people do. I love them both. Tell me down in the comments what your thoughts are. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have not already done so, please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's grow on this journey and inspire each other. And thank you for watching.